Whole heap of time for you to help yourself, you know. I'm gonna donation as well to from John from England.
Yeah.
You know, John from England, $11,000 as well to hear for you from John
Thanks.
from England. So that's Ella and John. So thank them again, big them up, much love.
Yeah, Ella, thanks, John. All the best. Extend family.
Yes.
Don't make me happy, tell me nervous.
Straight. So you have Krispy Kremes and you have Popeyes. Hello. So I'm seeing my subscribers again. How you doing? Oh, you like change?
What's up, baby?
You alright?
Yeah, God
nice
bless.
meeting you.
I love your show. I watch it.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Mr. Sir, so I got $10,000 here for you from Bones. His name is Bones from the UK.
Bones from the UK.
Bones
Bones from the UK.
Thank you very much. May God continue to bless you, guide you, cover you with His blood.
Yes.
Yeah, Bones.
Thank you very much.
She has said it, you know.
Yeah.
And she's a spiritual lady, you know. She like love her Bible, so she has said.
Yeah,
She said, Bones, just go and big up yourself, you know. And may your food basket never empty, you get me? Guide that.
Buffon.
Want to look like Buffon for real, man.
Yeah, look like Buffon, right?
Yeah, man, want to look like Buffon. Yes, man.
So you like it here in Trenchtown?
We love it. It's amazing.
First time here?
First time in Jamaica. Yeah, we've been just a few days. We arrived yesterday, actually.
Yes.
You arrived when?
Arrived on Sunday.
And we got a guest coming here. He's on his way. We have a donation here for you from Reggae General. Yes, Reggae General from Alan.
Oh, is the farm gone?
Far you gone, you know. His name is Reggae General. We have $9,000 a year for you. Yes. So $9,000 from Reggae General from Alan.
Reggae General from Alan. Big up yourself and bless you. Your food basket never run dry.
This is how the house exactly is where they build them first time here in Trenchtown. You just get a veranda like this. Yeah, Boston man today. This is exactly how it is. You get a step to walk up, you know, and one room door, just like that. So this will be your part, and then them put the bathroom and it outside. So if you want, you have to come outside, right, to use it. So the workshop now gonna build something on the building. 8 room though. 8 room. Yes, 8 room, 2 bathroom and 2 toilets. So you see, that's the 4 of them right there. So.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me, try so hard then. Want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Well, guys, you know, I just dropped off my car to get washed. You know, so just dropped off my car to get washed. So let me say it's gonna take a time. So while it's washing, I'm just gonna make a walk here because I'm here in Halfway Tree. You know, so I'm just gonna make a walk while I'm waiting for my car to get washed. What you say? So I'm just gonna walk here and Halfway Tree. So I'm in Halfway Tree here. Over there you got Brooklyn Supermarket, you know, so I'm just gonna make a walk, waiting for my car to get washed. Might as well, right? There's no point sitting down waiting for the car to get washed. So I just make a walk while my car is getting washed. So this is called Hope Road. You know what? Yeah, so look so yes guys, so I'm here at Hope Road. You got Brooklyn Supermarket over there. You know, I'm heading up towards Hope Road. So I'm just gonna give you guys a walk, you know, while my car is washing. Hello, how you doing? Why not say hi? Like you greet me like that. Man, say hi. I can't believe I greet me like that. So guys, I'm walking up Hope Road now. You know what? I'm gonna take you guys to, like I'm here, I'm gonna take you guys to Devon House. I take you guys to Devon House while I'm here. So you have over here, you have St. Andrew High over there for girls, St. Andrew High for girls school over there, St. Andrew High over there. So welcome to Hope Road. Busy day today. It's a very busy day today. So here we are on Hope Road. Purple team. So over there is the business complex where you get your insurance. You have dental associate over. You have COK. ATM over there as well. So you got everything over there. So you got doctor buildings as well. So you got everything over there. So I'm just making a walk. This is gonna be a long walk. So good for the exercise, right? It's good for the exercise. So tell me guys if you recognize anywhere here. I know most Jamaicans must recognize this road. You know, over there you have Winchester Road as well too. So you have Winchester Road right here as well too. Okay, so that is the Winchester Business Center. Over there is Winchester Business Center. The building that I was showing is Winchester Business Center. And over here you have Winchester MRI. Okay. That is not a yang. Uncle, blessed. Alright. It's a sunny day. Bright and nice. Bright and nice. So guys, how about taking you guys to Devon House? Why not? Like I'm going up Hope Road, why not take you guys to Devon House? What do you think? Might as well take you guys to Devon House, right? Whoa. No. Yo, this breeze. Windy, so why not take you guys to Devon House to eat some ice cream? Ice cream. So Devon House it is, right? So we have the surgical associate here, poster of Hope Road right over here. So once you're up here, you're uptown. So right now I have to start walk like an uptown boy. You know, I'm walking like an uptown boy now. So this is the fossa. We have surgery center. We have oral and facial surgery, plastic surgery. Hey, for the ladies that want the dolly body, you can find it right here. Get the dolly body done. You can get the dolly body done. Easy Out Road. So this direction that I'm heading to, you can head towards this direction where you can go all the way up towards Ligani, you know, Sovereign Side, Garden Town, you name it. You can head to any direction from here. We got the stay cross road you can head to anywhere from here. So the sun is a bit warm. I'm not even going to complain. Sorry, mommy. I am not even going to complain about the sun. Hello. And also the roses. Valentine's gone. But the man said I sell the roses. The lady here I sell her things, you know. Hustler in the street. Hustling, selling. So here's where you have a new Popeyes. Here's where you have Popeyes. Louisiana kitchen. And you also have Krispy Kreme. So who's a big fan of donuts? Who's a big fan of donuts? You also have Krispy Kreme inside this place as well too. You know, so you have Devon House over there. Whee! So you have Krispy Kremes and you have Popeyes. Hello! So I'm seeing my subscribers again. How you doing? Oh, I like change.
What's up, baby?
You alright?
Yeah, God
nice
bless.
meeting you.
I love your show. I watch it.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So we have Devon House over here. Yes guys, so it's always nice while I'm walking and meet our subscribers, you know. I thank you so much for watching Kina Life in Jamaica. You know, and when time we met, I feel the love that you share against me. I love that, I love that. I love the love that you always share whenever you guys see me. You know, thank you so much for watching, you know. I can feel the love whenever we meet. I'm like, oh Kina, I watch your show. You know, thank you so much, you know, thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching Kina Life in Jamaica. So, over here is Devon House. So I'm giving you a walk in the park, you know, while my car is washing. You know, like what we said, the Lamborghini is getting washed. You know, the Lamborghini is getting washed and the sun is hot. So I'm getting some suntan. Suntan in Jamaica. So here we enter in Devon House. Hello, Devon House. So this is where you enter to go to Devon House. Wow. So this is the park over here. You can come and you can chill. That was our walk and more. So I can show you the park right here, or you cannot walk there.
Daddy?
So this is the park here where you can come and you can chill, have a nice time. So you know, like how I just walk so much, you know, I can come and chill and relax and get the cool breeze, you know. Feel the cool breeze. Look how many cars is coming in right now to get ice cream. It's ice cream day. So guys, so here is the park here. Let me give you a walk in the park and everything. Whoa, so they have the entrance for the park. Oh, happy day. all the cool spaces are already taken up. Wow. So nice. So nice here in the park. Why I never bring my drone to get some drone shots here in the park? So if you're at home and you feel like to come clear your mind, you know, take some time, spend some time in the park here at Devon House, eat some ice cream, you know, you can do so. Very cool, very nice. So this is like they said, this is a restricted area. How restricted is it? Where you got the White House. That's the White House there. That is it right there. So they said this area is restricted. I don't know why. And you got the fountain right here. I'm not gonna get electrocuted. So that's the Devon House right there. And the fountain. Beautiful fountain here. White. This is a beautiful fountain here at Devon House. So very nice, very windy. The breeze is very cool as well. It's very cool. So that is the house over there. You know, it's very nice, very cool. So let me go around to where they do the ice cream as well too. So this is just one entrance of the park as well too. Everyone chilling, relaxing, having a nice cool time with a nice vibe. I guess you can go through here. I think, yeah, I think you can go through here as well. I remember this spot. This is where me and Oliver we have dinner the last time. I think we can walk this way. This is where me and Oliver they have dinner the last time with Carla, right over that spot. So I remember this place right here. Woo. Very nice, very nice, very nice, very nice. That's the house right there. Okay, so I guess you can walk here. Devon House is so nice. You can have a dinner. Wow. Right guys, Devon House set up so nice. I'm not even lying. And you have the bakery. Oh, out here we have the ice cream. Oh, let's see what's over here. Steakhouse over there. Devon House Bakery. You have the bakery and you have the steakhouse. Cocoray. Oh, here's where you get the smoothies. Steakhouse. No, steakhouse. So, wow. Jerk box, where you get your jerk. Cocoa raw. Wow. You got your restroom, your bathroom, toilet. And the park is full. So here's where you get your ice cream. Oh.
It's better like you go to the event and you pre before you.
I'll get myself an ice cream. Hey. At least. Oh, seems busy.
Kino lifestyle.
Kino life. Oh, go on. All is well.
I wanna hear something.
When I subscribe, from me hear you say Kino life, you know.
What do you think all the time, man?
Big up yourself, man. See that? Big up yourself, man. Thank you so much for watching. Here you go, guys. We met one of our subscribers again. You know, it's always a blessing, a pleasure to meet our subscribers. You know, thank you so
when
much.
we over, brother, it's like you make me feel like we say with our yard. They get one of the people then.
Yes.
Man.
And it's my pleasure, you know, to make you feel like we say, yo, listen, missing Jamaica. You know, nice vibe.
All of the things that we now see with we are see on you.
Yeah, see. Big up,
Yeah,
man.
man.
Anybody want big up?
Continue to work. Big up the whole family, man. Big up the whole Birmingham, UK.
Okay. UK, that's a whole place. Big up the whole of Birmingham, UK, you know.
St. Elizabeth, the
Yes.
foundation. That's
Okay.
the thing there. Alright.
Big up, man.
Honors
So,
and respect.
in there look full still.
Yeah, man, the queenness stay away.
Stay away. And I said, I don't want to try ice cream because I'm getting my car washed. So I'm saying, let me just walk while the car is washing. You know, but to get the ice cream seems like it's going to take me forever. Trust me. It's long. Let me go check the queue. Alright, then big up here. Every time, man. Yeah. Let me go check this queue. Whoa.
Yo, Tom. Where on?
Oh, go on. Big up.
Every time.
Cool, no, man. All is well.
Subscriber, man.
Yeah, man. Big up, man. Hello, me. Just met another subscribers. I've been meeting them since I'm walking up, you know. Because I leave the car to get washed. So I said, let me just make her walk.
So the man go on.
She's good, man. She's good.
Yeah, what's up, young fella? Same way still.
Same way. Yeah, man. Oh, the ice cream taste.
My good.
Good.
Natural flavor.
Yeah. But the queue in there is long.
Oh hell, man. You know how long will they wait?
So imagine how long I'm going to wait to get the ice cream. It take you long as well?
Well, one ticket.
Oh, one ticket. Oh, really? Oh, guys. So it worth the wait at least.
Oh yeah.
So I think it's going to be too long for me, man. Too long. And thank you so much for watching as well.
Yeah,
too,
man.
You know?
Yeah, man.
You know, guys, it's a pleasure meeting our subscribers again.
Alright.
Big up who you want, big up,
I
man.
still subscribe and everything, you know?
Yes. Anyone you want to big up?
Like other YouTubers or anything?
Anybody you want big up, who you watch, who you always watch it with, your family, your friends, you know?
Yeah, all of the family, Murray family from Canada, US, Jamaica here. Because I'm from Canada.
Okay, yeah?
Yeah.
I need to visit there very soon.
Alright, so
Very soon.
yeah, keep a track of you know?
Yes, you see me when I'm over there, yeah? She almost dashed the ice cream. Oh, Lord. Alright, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Alright, take care, yeah?
Alright.
Thank you so much, boy.
Yeah, man.
Why? I don't think I can wait. It's too long. Unless they can give me a pass.
Security man can't take you out.
Yeah. Where is it? Can I get an executive pass, Siki? Forget the ice cream. Whoa, forget the ice cream. Oh gosh, look at this line. No, it's too long. Oh guys, look at this line. That line is too long.
Long, man.
Long. Alright, man. That line, yeah, man, guys, that line is too long. I guess I have to come here well early in the morning. That is too long, trust me. Way too long to get the ice cream. Hey. That wait is like, hey, over an hour. So by the time I wait, my car done wash, dry, put down dust blow, everything blow, mess it back up. No man, that's too long. It's way too long. I did want the ice cream, but hey, but the wait is too long. Sorry. I guess when you come into Devon House, you have to come here well early. Try to beat the crowd. If you don't beat the crowd, you're gonna get stuck in the crowd. Well, in the crowd, you're gonna stuck like all the way now. I'm not gonna get stuck in that crowd. I am not going to get stuck in that crowd waiting just to get an ice cream, because as you can see, the crowd is massive, you know. And like my subscriber said, he's been waiting there for a very long time. So imagine how long I'll be waiting. I'll be waiting for that line is like over an hour. Wait for sure. For sure for ice cream. So this is where you get the best ice cream in the world. Them said Devon House ice cream. Where you get the best ice cream here in Jamaica. Devon House. So you see, some people wait because it worth the wait. So while it worth the wait, you have to go and get it. You have to go and get it. So shall yeah, bowl and spoon. So you can come here, have dinner, you know. Damn. Hey, Mark X. Can't come here and don't get nothing at all. Feel like I want to take someone ice cream and run. Hey, imagine I need to sit down for a minute. Let's find a spot to sit down for a minute in the park. Let's find a spot and sit down for a minute in the park. So alright, see a spot right over there. Well, it's no peace and quiet here because you know everyone is out. So it's I will sit down right here for a minute. Look at this nice tree. Underneath this nice tree. Hey, I'll rest for a minute. Oh Lord. At least I never walk in vain. I got a chance to sit down under the tree. Even though it would have been so nice sitting here having an ice cream, right? But no ice cream. That walk, guys, because I know you walk all the way with me to come here. So you see the walk? So imagine to walk back down that same walk. Walk the walk, that same walk. But at least can enjoy some cool breeze here under the tree. Under that tree, so beautiful. Devon House is so nice, so cozy. Nah lie, I'm gonna take over this spot for a minute. So who vex, go and vex. I'll go and lie down for a minute. Oh, whee. Yes guys, I'm not going to lie down for a minute here, man. So if anybody vex, I'm lucky. Worse I didn't get no ice cream. Never get no ice cream, so hey, at least I'm relaxing for a minute, you know. So you can see what I am seeing. You see what I am seeing? This is the way I'm looking at. I'm looking up the tree with the breeze blowing very nice here at Devon House. But guys, who does that? Who comes Devon House? Who really comes to Devon House and don't get ice cream? Who does that? Kina does that, man. Like Kina does that. Come to Devon House and don't even have the patience to wait in that line for over an hour to get a Devon House ice cream. Who does that? Kino. What do you think, guys? I should go back and wait an hour for ice cream? You think so? I would have get the dragon stout. Yeah, I would have get the dragon stout ice cream. But oh well, man, next time I think I just relax here till I'm ready to go get the car and then head to Churchtown. Yes, so welcome, guys. Under that tree. I don't know what's the name of this tree. Oh, cause I can see people put their names on them thing, the initial on the tree. So I guess I should put Kino on the tree. There you go. Have a little mini Kino. Oh, my finger is hurting me. K-I-N-O. I got nothing to carve it. I got nothing to carve it out, so. But you know what? This spot, it worth the walk. So if I make a walk like that, and then to come get a chance to sit down under the tree like this, lie down literally. I'm not sitting, I'm lying down. I take over the whole seat. So if anyone want to come and sit next to me, you cannot wall, you have to sit down on the ground. Sorry, I was walking too long. Worse I didn't get any ice cream. Walking at the hot sun and not getting no ice cream. I rather lie down for an hour more than stand up for an hour right now. So yes, guys, so that is it. So thank you so much for being with me on this journey. So sad I didn't get the chance to get you a ice cream, but hey, never mind, next time I'll get you one. Next time I will get you a ice cream. Can you hear the birds? Well. Blessed love to all. Blessed love to all, guys. Welcome to Kina Life in Jamaica. You know the thing going. Blessed love to anywhere you're watching from. Thank you so much for watching Kina Life in Jamaica. You know, as you know, the charity work always continues. You know, it's good to be back. I want to give a big shout out to all my friends, not even friends, they're more like family back there in Trinidad. You know, blessings to all Trinidad and Tobago. Big up on yourself, Squid. Big up yourself, Squid. Frank. You know, big up yourself, Rhea. You know, Rex, Saya, and Maya. The twin brothers. Then big up on yourself. You know, I want to thank you so much for the love and support you want to show me when I was there. You know, so it was nice, you know, knowing another culture and seeing how other people live amongst each other, you know, and love the country, love the people them, you know. I will definitely be back in Trinidad and Tobago one day, soon and very soon, you know. So Rhea, big up yourself, you know, and Squid, big up on yourself, you know, every time. So guys, I wanted to show much love. Please guys, go and show Squid some love, you know, support his music, get used to the Trinidad, the Caribbean music, the culture, the zest and the steam, you know. Check out his IG, Squid Dancer, you know. Go and check him out and give him some support. Let's support each other. Frank, remember I said about the YouTube, Squid, come on, let's get on that, you know. Yes guys, as it was nothing but love, you know. I want to say a massive shout out to each and every one of my Trinidadians family that's watching this program. Thank you so much for coming on board, you know, to check out Kenya Life in Jamaica. So now we're here in Jamaica, you know, back home, you know, where the work continues, you know. I want to thank you so much for showing me nothing but love and love alone, you know. So today I'm heading into Trenchtown. But first I want to get downtown. I want to buy a scanner some groceries, you know, because, you know, scanner, the Rasta man, the man that recover from strokes, you know, I promised him some groceries. So I'm going to get him some groceries, you know, and give him some donation as well too, you know, because remember, no, he's there to survive now, so you know he cannot work to help himself, so it's just good for me to give him some groceries where he can, you know, get something to munch whenever he need it, you know, because he cannot cook. So hopefully Philip can cook for him. So I'm gonna go downtown to get some groceries for him, you know, and give him 2 donations as well to that I receive. So guys, if you're watching this far, remember, please always remember guys, thank you so much for the love and support. You know, remember to put the thumbs up when you're watching Kenya Life in Jamaica, and share it if you can share, you know. There's no pressure, you know, but share, support the love, you know, show the love, support the thing, you know how the thing go, you know, support the thing if you know how the thing go, you know, share and tell a friend about Kenya Life in Jamaica, you know. Keep it positive, positivity only. That's all. Even though we cannot avoid the negative, because the negative and positive, that's what creates, you know. So you know how the thing goes already. They're always going to be there, but what can we do? We cannot run from them. It's a fight or a flight. So you know what? We're fighting for love, you know. We ain't running from it, because you cannot run from it. So that is it guys. So stay tuned. Bang, remember, put the thumbs up if you reach this far. Kenya Life in Jamaica. That is it. So here we are. Guys, so we're here downtown, you know, getting the groceries for scanner. They can get a nice. The place is really active, same way. Really active. So already and in the list, you know, whenever dream team comes in, we have VIP. We get quick treatment. You know, so waiting for them to organize the groceries so we can pay for them and head out, because look at the line, the place is active, you know. What's your ask? Yeah. you, save them. They are alone already. Me alone. Yeah, me alone. Yeah. Save you. Me a thief alone there. Scanner.
Hey, my next young father.
Hey.
How do you do?
Well, you're hard to find. You walking
That's
about.
Why, that's why I'm not keep myself in no trouble because I'm not hard to find.
Come in, Scanner. Yes, guys, so we just arrived here back in Trenchtown. You know, once you come, we have to go look for Scanner. Because Scanner is walkabout. Because Scanner walkathon. You know? He's the walkathon.
You know, we get strong and I walk all about the place, you know. Remember me tell you, when I tell you again.
The Almighty and the extended family, right?
Yes, man.
Scanner walkabout.
Talk about the Almighty and the extended. You brought me night, you know, the real way, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I bring some things for you. Oh, chef, go take out the box. Take out, no? Yes, guys, we'll take out the... Take out me. Aye. Mangoes, guys, mangoes. Mango. The mango want to see them green mango, yeah. The mango want to see the green mango. The mango want to see the green mango. Cause she love to eat the whole of green mango. The mango want to see the green mango. Cause the mango love to eat green mango. Hey, hear that song them bill right now. The mango, you know the thing go. The mango, you know the thing go. We see a lot of mango, green mango, hey, the mango, hey, the mango. Yes, guys, so back here, so we have some groceries for Scanner. You know, as I said, I promised him some groceries, so I make sure I go get the groceries now and drop off to him. Also, I got donation for him as well too, so you know how the thing go. Oh, a Scanner. Where you say get the basket?
Yeah.
Get your basket where you put the clothes them in and think. The cable man never come? The cable man never come? He never come.
Impossible, but I don't know what to tell him.
Yeah, but him did to come set up the cable for you. I would tell him to do that.
Extend family, all the best. All my telling them New Year, Happy New Year, all of that.
So you're...
You never get to tell the people Happy New Year X amount of thanks.
Yes.
Thanks, extend family, thanks.
Yeah. So the antenna is still now, but would they tell the cable man to come run the cable for you? But through me, I wasn't here.
Yeah.
You know, so...
And that is real.
Yeah, but me see him as well when him said the guy no, you know, him say him tell the next guy to come and do it.
But the one who have to do the thing never know.
You never know?
No.
Okay. So see me bring some grocery for you.
Yeah.
Come tell us I'm gonna bring you some grocery, right?
Yeah.
So I bring you some groceries and everything right here for you. You know, you can help yourself.
Yeah.
Cook, you have mackerel, you have sardine, you have everything in it, you have a tissue. You know? Something to help out. You have your cornflakes, you have your oats, and you have your milk, you have your lasco, you have your bread.
Yeah,
so I'm not worry myself for the side of the ear.
Yeah.
Ear by ear. Extend respect and love for me.
Big up, man,
Yeah, man.
God bless you next
time.
Eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, man,
I
come
grew around Trelawny Beach Hotel and we never so nice.
You never so nice.
No.
Trelawny Beach.
Hotel, yeah. Around there, so I grew up a little boy.
Oh, Trelawny Beach. So that's where you living before you come Trenchtown?
Yeah, Clarkstown.
Clarkstown. Yeah. Oh, that's where Clarkstown.
Anthony B and me grew together. We grew them youth there still. I'm a big old man for you, Anthony B.
The artist?
One youth named Prestige.
Yeah.
Yeah. New upcoming singer.
Okay.
Man sing like a bird. The good John used to there around me too. Yeah, I mean never know say my brother and the good John are brother. You know Pirate?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Everybody say me feel a Pirate.
Yes guys, you can understand.
Him born before me must feel like him.
Pirate.
Yeah.
It's in there. In the gate.
Bob Marley sing a song with him and he must say, oh Bob Marley don't remember him. All pirate come to rabbi.
Oh pirate, yes the rabbi. Oh and then.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just ask me,
And just ask you for me?
Yeah. Just say no. When I see you, come never see you picture.
Yes. It's like him sense that I'm coming to see him.
About Kila to build a house, right? Let's say Kila no one go buy a man, go home already one, build a man, build a house over there.
You want to build a house in a Trenchtown for live? Scan out a Trenchtown, you want me to live in?
Go and come.
Go and come.
I have your guest house, you know.
Yeah.
You can't turn the real house and guest house after you go up on the hill.
Yeah.
That is real.
You want me close so you can come and knock my door and say, Kino.
Yeah. Morning.
Morning.
Where's some sugar?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sweet, eh? Well, me make sure I bring you some sugar so you don't have to come knock my door.
Alright.
You know? So it's like I'm bringing that as we promise you. I have two donation as well to for you. You know, to put in your pocket to help out yourself same way. You know? You know the thing goes already scanner, so I have $7,000 a year for you from Heather. Her name is Heather.
Yeah.
From Hartford, Connecticut. You know, $7,000 a year for you from Heather.
Yeah, thanks.
Whole heap of thanks for you to help yourself, you know. I'm gonna donation as well to from John from England.
Yeah.
You know, John from England, $11,000 as well to hear for you from John.
Thanks.
From England. So that's Heather and John. So thank them again, big them up, much love.
Yeah, Heather, thanks, John. All the best. Extend family.
Yes.
Don't make me happy to me nervous.
Straight.
Yeah, straight forward.
Yes, happy to the nervous. That is it.
Ever tell them thanks, nah, each panic thing.
Yes, that is it, man. You know, gratitude is a must.
Yeah.
You know, so go and take a piece, go and take your time, go and munch. You know, you have pocket change, go and help yourself, you know, anything goes. So if anything has come up, give me a link, right?
Yeah.
Alright, then big up, go and enjoy your loves your home. Scanner, you have DVD but no DVD player.
I'll buy more.
Oh. God, make I say I see the cable man. He come put the cable for you.
About $3.50.
No, man, I don't want a DVD player, man. The cable man run the cable, man.
You don't worry about no DVD.
DVD player outdated now.
Yeah, them are show last time.
Yes, them thing.
Everything you watch now.
Yeah, you watch them, I know, because you have the DVD run down.
Johnny watch one daytime in my laptop, you know.
Yeah.
Then the outdated. Alright, then you scanner?
Yeah.
Alright, then.
Scanner.
Bless up. Alright guys, so yeah man, so we bless Kenna with some groceries, you know, because I did promise him some groceries as well too. So I got back here on the island, so I make sure I come give him some groceries. I want to thank Heather as well from Connecticut. Thank you so much for blessing Kenna as well too, and also John from England. You know, thank you so much for helping out Scanner with the donation, you know. As he says, Scanner cannot work, he cannot do anything to help himself. So any contribution he get, it will definitely, he really appreciate it because it can help him get food, you know, just to get by. So, you know, it goes already, man. I will give thanks and thank him so much, you know. Alright then, whoa! Come here. Yes guys, so I'm here now to see Miss Daa, you know, to give her a donation. You know, it goes already. I will give thanks to our extended family. I want to thank them so much for now. Just leave from Scanner. Yeah, now we're here in 4th Street. Alright, we have we have Ali here. We're there and everything else. We have Miss Daa to give her a donation.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Step in. That'll do. That'll do.
Yeah, baby.
Are you okay?
Hello, Miss Daa, sir.
Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Stop the shit down.
I'll put the hello in my pocket.
That's a wagon.
What your favorite Natalie, sir?
Natalie Daa.
Oh. In here, I know. So, who you favor? How you favor now? You.
Favor my father we did. Me a little bit as well.
She look like Miss Daa, that's why.
Me no favor my mother, Natalie and her favor.
That's she look like you, you know.
No, me no look like her.
Of course, can't hide.
Yeah, she no favor.
Who favor you, Miss Daa? Who look like you?
Alright, Bobby. Yeah,
Oh.
Bobby and Natalie.
But no, but to me, yeah, but look at her.
Yeah. She's.
Look like my mother.
Yeah.
Like that.
You don't see it, Ali?
Yeah. She have the real car, man.
Yeah,
More than
of
the
course.
whole of them.
What's the two? Should I run me now?
Yes, yeah, attract the look.
Mother Earth.
Hologram. Yes, Miss Daa, how is everything?
Everything is fine.
Everything is
I
good.
give God thanks.
Glory.
Every time.
And His mercy.
Come here, pass by, come have 2 donation here for you. You know, so I swing by because I was down the road giving out some donation to Scanner.
Great scanner.
Yes, so I just make a step come up here. I'm always like use 1 stone, kill 2 birds, but we're not killing no bird. No.
Wow, the bird them survive.
Yes, the bird them shall survive.
Survive, bro.
Right, Miss Daa, sir?
Yeah.
No killing of no birds.
The bird them sing at morning time.
Bob Marley say.
And the 3 little bird.
Yeah.
A whole heap of bird around there sing.
Yes, man. So, Mr. Daa, so I got $10,000 here for you from Bones. His name is Bones from the UK.
Bones from the UK. Bones from the
I
UK.
thank you very much. May God continue to bless you, guide you, cover you with His blood.
Yes.
Yeah, Bones.
Thank you very much.
She has say it, you know.
Yeah.
And she's a spiritual lady, you know. She like love her Bible, so she has say it.
Yeah,
She say, Bones, just go and big up yourself, you know. And may your food basket never empty, you get me? Guidance.
Guidance, I'll give thanks. For Bones, thank you so much, Bones. You know, all the way from the UK. We thank you so much for blessing.
Bones, your food basket now gotta stop. You get me? I respect that way over so. And Kino, we're glad for the program still are going.
Same way.
They get me. You know the situation, say. So the program have to still move on. So we go part of the extended family. You get me? Overseas, round the world. You get me? You get me? And Kino still do the good work. You get?
Same way.
And Holiday, I'm not leave out my mother.
Yes.
You see?
You know, once there's life, there's hope.
You get me?
So I'm not giving up. See me. Journey have to continue.
Straight.
So we're gonna donation from Global, from Philadelphia.
Global Philadelphia.
Yeah, $9,000 from Global
Philadelphia.
from Philly.
Global Philadelphia. I don't know, man, that's a respect and honor, you know.
Many times.
Many times, you get me? May your food basket never empty, you know. See it? So, give thanks to the token for my mother. She can do well with it, you see it?
Yes,
You give her my piece already, you know, so she can do well with it, you get me?
Yeah.
So, no care the thing small, you have to receive it, you see it? So, the extended family, just go and big up on yourself. Pablo, everybody were there. We are do the thing, you see it?
Yes.
Everybody over the stage. You know, I say, guide and protect each and every one of them where we do the thing. Because we know the thing in the cause we come foreign come so I go and so people them have to work hard. You see, so we give thanks with the token where you send from my mother. All of the extended family, you see, may on the food basket never empty. You see, and Kino I do a good work and him not stop, it not stop. The journey is long. Him still a continue.
Same way.
You see, so big up all of the people where support the thing. You see, it never stop. So Michelle, Yeah, respect gone way over, so you know, aka tweet. You see? Mother Earth.
Thank everybody.
Yes.
I give you praises, glory, and honor.
Got me there, shake.
God continue to bless you, cover you, and
Really power chef, you know. Should be emotional. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Miss Daa. You know?
thank you very much.
Mother is very emotional when she has speech, you know, you get me? So, as I said, the extended family all over send the token, they don't know. Much respect, you know, and honor. Kino do a good work with the program, you see. So, team respect gone way over, so I never know which part of the land. You see, Pablo and the whole crew, Yankee, everybody, you see.
Bless us.
Just go and bless upon yourself, you know, and keep strong.
Yes.
You get me? Definitely.
Alright, yeah, Miss Daa. So if anything else come up, I will come see you, yeah?
Yes.
Alright, let's go and take care.
Yes.
Trisha. Smile now. Let's just scope your face behind me, so.
Bobby, get them there.
Move your hand. Yes, no, there was no yes, my guy. She's the one that look like Miss Daa. She eyed. Yes. Yes, guys. Alright, yeah, Miss Daa. Alright, so we give thanks for the blessings, you know, for Miss Daa. You know, we thank you so much, Bones. Thank you so much, Bones, you know, for blessings, Miss Daa.
Yeah.
You know, we thank you so much. We have Bibi run a mile. Bibi reach.
Yes, we go way down the south.
Wrong place ago.
Wrong place.
Yeah, man, she come up here so now, you know. And we're there at the Wow Chef.
Yeah, man.
Yes. And we are there at the Rasta Messi.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Like air.
Air. Resort baby. There up on the ground. And Rasta Jack, wait that way, we are belly skin. Rasta Jack, so walk on right there.
No, that's a habit. You know, that's a habit all the way. You know, let's can't down here.
You act.
Yeah, see? No, that's just an attitude or habit, you know? Yeah, habit is hard to fall away.
Yeah. And we have Mother Teresa around here. Guys, so we're going to head back over, you know. We have another donation to give to Natisha and also Rasta Jackson, you know. So, Bones, we give thanks. Bones, thank you so much, you know, for blessing Miss Daa. You know, we thank you so much, Bones. And let me see the next person again. Global, you know, you think well global. The love gone well global, you know. So we give thanks. I will thank you so much for reaching out, you know. In a journey has to continue. Yes, sir. Oh, Chef journey, I go start next. I know so I put on a bathroom and toilet for you. Oh, Chef. Give me a bathroom and a toilet. Benjamin, a rose there? Oh. Why? Oh, she know why. Pay James there. Cool. Yes, guys, you know, it's always a pleasure, you know, it's always a blessing, you know, for helping out each other. You know, we're thanking you so much, you know, for reaching out to the less fortunate here in Trenchtown. You know, as I say, definitely we'll continue on the journey, you know, to do what we can get done, you know, no matter how small it is. You know, so you know we have the Wow Chef project now where we're gonna attack, you know, even a bathroom and a toilet, because you can see these are the houses here in Trenchtown. These are the blocks, you know. This is how the house exactly is where them build them first time here in Trenchtown. You just get a veranda like this. Yeah, Boston man today. This is exactly how it is. You get a step to walk up, you know, and one room door, just like that. So this will be your part, and then them put the bathroom and tie it outside. So if you want, you have to come outside, right, to use it. So the whole chef now gonna build something on the building. 8 room though. 8 room. Yes, 8 room, 2 bathroom and 2 toilets. So you see, that's the 4 of them right there. So and it last and in 8 room serve. Yes, and piper in the back.
Yeah, the system going at the back.
So this is the 10 shillings. So them call them back in the days, right? 12. Oh, 12 shillings. Sorry, says the 12 shillings house. Yes, 12 shillings. So that's how it is back in the day, the 12 shillings. And as you can see, guys, a lot of zinc fence.
From 1918, you know?
From when?
12 shillings deal. You should pay rent up by Whatland, you know?
Yeah.
For the Whatland, they pay rent. House, you see the for the Whatland right there, so.
Wow.
That means I didn't control title and bathroom, anything want to go on and look after it.
Just like that.
Yeah.
You have to pay your rent.
Yeah.
Have to pay your rent, I tell you, boy. So that is it, guys. So you know it goes every, you know the eye, you know the journey have to continue. So as you can see, this is how it is here, you know. So we're trying to eliminate all the zinc fences, you know, help who we can help, you know. Them we cannot help the world, or we probably cannot help everyone in the world, so we can try and help who we can help while we have life in our body here and this universe, because each one help one. You know, as I say, we have the members them also. To get a bathroom and toilet, you have Rasta Messi here, you have Rasta Jackson, you have a couple of the members them who need to get a bathroom and also a toilet, you know. So see what we can do to help out our situation, because it's the best thing we can do, try to help out each other, you know, help each other to grow, you know.
Oh, different man in there.
No, I see my take picture of Dream Team.
Yeah.
Them see the dry and I say Dream Team.
One team. I'm gone with the gone side of it.
Go.
I did the shot, that thing, them take picture.
Yeah.
No, I want to shop for them phone.
Hello.
We were thinking, we're Italian.
Italian? You're Italian?
Yeah. We're Italian.
That's the Italian chef over there.
Italian chef.
Yes. Yeah, he's an Italian, so he's the Italian chef. Come in, Italian spice.
Italian chef.
So he the one, he can cook Italian food for you.
Okay, good.
He's a wow chef. When you eat it, it's like whoa.
Yeah? What's your favorite?
What's your
Juventino is from Juve.
Juventus.
Juventus?
Oh yeah.
Del Piero. Buffon.
Want look like Buffon for
Respect.
Yeah, look like Buffon, right?
Yeah, man, mama look like Buffon. Yes, man.
So you like it here in Trenchtown?
We love it. It's amazing.
First time here?
First time in Jamaica. Yeah, we've been just a few days. We arrived yesterday actually.
Yes.
You arrived when?
I arrived on Sunday.
And we got a guest coming here. He's on his way. He's also
What
from
are you
Japan.
doing, by the way?
I'm a YouTuber. We do charity.
Okay.
You know, we help out. So this is what you're seeing. This is our headquarters. So that is me right here.
Alright.
That is the team Kino Life in Jamaica.
Next
We are,
Italian fight.
yes. And this is a wow chef. You know, he's a chef. So we do charity here.
Cool.
We help
What do
out
you promote? Do you promote
positivity, but we help out the less fortunate. We help out the poor and the needy. You know, as you can see all the places, you know, people really need help.
Nice.
So people contribute by donating something to the cause, you know, of the living condition. So that's why we give out donations and them stuff to the people them here.
That's
You
amazing,
know?
man.
That's what we do, man. That's what we do. We promote the positivity and the love for the country. What's your name?
Marco.
Marco. Alessio. So it's Kino.
Kino. Well,
Kino.
there you go.
Yes, there you go, man. So you can check it out on YouTube.
Yeah, we will.
Thank you.
Okay. So
Have
a nice time here in Trenchtown, man. Alright, man. That is it.
Forza Juve.
Yeah, man.
It's guys, so you see, tourists just walk up and down here in Trenchtown. Alright, so Rasta Jackson, I have a donation here for you as well too. I got a birthday. The birthday gone?
Yeah.
Yes, it's a belated birthday package we have here for you from GG. You see? They know your birthday. They know. So you think people don't know? People know everything was going on. So we have $8,000 a year for you for belated birthday from Gigi. You know. So make sure it's 8. Count it. So it's 8.
Yeah. Thanks, Gigi.
Gigi from the USA.
Give thanks to it every time. Love you every time. Give thanks to it every time.
Every time.
Every time come do.
See? They know your birthday. So don't feel like some people don't know the information. Now we have Natisha. Come through, Natish. We have a donation here for you from Reggae General. Yes, Reggae General from Alan.
Oh, it's a farm gun?
Far you gone, you know? His name is Reggae General. We have $9,000 a year for you. Yes. So $9,000 from Reggae General from Alan.
Reggae General from Alan. Big up yourself and bless you. Your food basket never run dry. Big up again and bless up yourself. Big up all of my member them, extended family them, all of the subscriber them. Big up and bless up.
Every time. So we give thanks for the blessings, we give thanks for the donation. We thank you so much for Mr. Guys. Stay tuned, you know, we're going to continue on the journey. So, wait. Mr. Jackson, that's a belated birthday gift.
Every time. All extended family love every time.
You're gone already, man. We never know neither. But the viewers them know, the donors know.
Last month.
When was it? January. That's a long your birthday gone and we never know. Boom, what go on? It's a secret birthday that man.
So you and Junior band the same?
You didn't know?
I don't believe January, when I say we don't make a party, believe it or not.
You and Junior band the same day?
That even Boom never know.
If you stop it, man.
We never know where him born. Boy, Jackson, you keep that for yourself, guys. You see that? Jackson keep his birthday for himself. You know? Nobody don't know the man's birthday, baby. Imagine that. Nobody. At even closest party. Oh, if you were here?
Every day, brother.
Of course. But Boom, Boom did it all the time.
Yeah.
So imagine Boom, you had him a roll on his birthday, don't even know it was his birthday. Imagine that. But at least Gigi, remember. Pick up yourself, Gigi. You know, Gigi kept that down, well written. Big up Gigi, big up. Esther, is that a Dream Team pillow?
Yes.
Can we have one, please? Can I sleep out here? Whoa! She buy a pillow for your bedroom already. Yes, she buy for your bedroom already. A real king, this.
Yeah, king.
Double king. That can't hold on your bed wall.
Male look queen, female look king.
Yes. No.
Female work with king and male work with queen.
So you know, you're better for the queen.
Yeah, man, queen bed now,
Yes. So you can't lay down on king, you have to lay down on the queen.
It's the bed we have around right now, a queen size.
Yes.
Yeah, and the pillar them to a queen size pillar.
So you cannot have a king size.
I don't need that then if it's a king size.
No, you cannot lay on the king.
Yeah. Queen size.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.